who Allah, who Allah, who Allah, who Allah, who Allah, who Allah, who Allah. Assalamu alaikum, my friends. Today Lina learned something special to say. When I'm happy or when I'm blue, I talk to Allah, He listens too. Raise my hands, whisper slow, Ya Allah, you always know. Even when no one can see, Allah is close, He hears me. When I wake or before I sleep, I thank Allah, His love is deep. Every dua I make inside is a gift Allah won't hide. So whenever I smile or cry, I call to Allah, He's always nearby. When I'm